I'm Rich Casale. I'm a certified erosion and sediment control specialist, a post-fire restoration specialist, assisting the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service, providing free technical assistance, financial assistance as well if ag lands have been affected, including forest lands. I've been doing this for nearly 45 years. I've worked fires all over the state of California as a post-fire restoration specialist. But every situation is different, and that's why a site assessment is so important, so that we can assess how serious the damage is for that property owner. I tell everyone that you need to be prepared for 2 winters after fire, not 1 winter. When I first meet with landowners on fire-affected properties, and if they have infrastructure that's been affected, then we want to start there. Second of all, I treat nature as a best management practice. Trees are not dead yet, and even if they were, their root systems are still there holding slopes and soils together. Their canopy, whatever it be, a few branches, a few leaves, just a stump, it's still protection on the landscape. So whatever we do, we want to do in concert with nature, not against her, because when we're dealing with the forces of nature, nature will always win. When you put practices on the landscape, you build operation and maintenance into it. You're married to it. What I do see is I see a lot of practices being installed improperly. If you're going to spend the time, the money, and the effort to do something, let's do it right. I don't see a place for plastic sheeting, but it seems like a first go-to for a lot of folks. Almost always the wrong thing to do. Loose straw laid on the landscape can do as much as practices that cost tens of thousands of dollars with equal or even greater benefit for $6 to $10 a bale. 2 bales, no more than 2 bales per 1,000 square feet. Less is more again. You put too much straw, you're not going to get grass coming through it or native seed bank. You're going to be competing with nature. We want to work with nature. We don't want to compete with nature. So we try to armor our customers with information, good information to help them make informed decisions and to know right from wrong when it comes to the installation of these practices.